Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to import Joomla content into Gridbox. The Import Joomla Content feature allows you to migrate your Joomla website content, including articles, categories, and tags, into Gridbox. As an example, we have a Joomla article with basic content, text, and an image. It is assigned to a category and has two tags. There is also an intro image assigned to the article. So we have four items: a Joomla article, one category, and two tags that we need to import into Gridbox. Now let's move to Gridbox. From the sidebar navigation in Gridbox, select Options and choose Import Joomla Content. In the modal window, we need to select the application where the Joomla content will be imported. In this example, I'll choose the Blog Content app because the Pages app does not support categories and tags, which we need in this case. Then click Import. Now, let's open the Blog app. As you can see, the page was imported with the intro image, and the category was created as well. In the page settings, you can also see the assigned tags. Now, let's open the blog post and check the imported content. As you can see, everything was transferred correctly, including the text and image. The content is placed inside the text plugin, which can be opened and edited. It's also important to note that the imported tags have been created and are available for editing in the Gridbox tags section. That's how you import Joomla content into Gridbox. Now you can easily migrate your articles, categories, and tags into your project. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.